بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا ونبينا أبو القاسم مصطفى محمد صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم. Imam Hussein alayhi salam uprising can be help us to becoming as a unity and solution our problem in our life, and to make best decisions to developing and growing in our life. We have to research durations, that time and history of Islam's, those who are they against to Imam Hussein alayhi salam, and those who are they joined with Imam Hussein alayhi salam as the faithful companions. We have to comparative these two groups and parties and realize and read the details of those persons, how they could to get a right decision and wrong decisions. This is very important. If we can comparative these two persons and these two parties and get common points from these two and comparative to our life to this time, we can understand we are on the right way or wrong way. Now everything is changed, it's correct, and we are not on the Imam Hussein alayhi salam's time. But this time it's not differences with that times. That times Imam Hussein alayhi salam was the leader of the people, and now we have Hujjat ibn al-Hasan alayhi salam, our leaders, and we have to check ourselves we are on the right way or wrong way. Why they had a mistake duration that time and we are making the mistake now duration this time? These are problem and these are issues can be damage the unity, and that after that we are going to the outside and doing the wrong things. We have to comparative and take the common points. Why those who are before Ashrah, they were as a faithful companions of the Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam, but unfortunately after the whiles they leave Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam ways and they join to the corrupt rulers because of money, because of power, because of the unpleasant threats, and they against to Imam Hussein. Instead join to the Imam Hussein, they against to the Imam Hussein and fight to by Imam Hussein. Unfortunately, this is important. For example, Umar ibn Sa'd, those who are person, he knows very well Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his family. We cannot say he doesn't know who is Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his family. No, he exactly and truly knows who is Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his family. But because of power, because of money, because of the positions in this world, he against to Imam Hussein. And the night before the Ashura, he came to Imam Hussein and gave a very bad message to Imam Hussein to surrender it and back to the Bani Umayyah. Why you are doing like that? He giving the wrong message to the Imam Hussein and he giving the wrong devices to Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his companions. What are you doing like that? Why you are not joined with the Bani Umayyah and Yazid and some others? Come with us. We are giving the lot of money, we are giving to you power, and we are giving to you everything as you like, and you're back to your city and to your country. Why are you came here? Imam Hussein alayhi salam told him, I am not coming here for selfishness. I not came here for my self-decisions, for my power, for my positions. I came to make a justice, to make a peace, to save the people's life, to help each other, to help all of the peoples. Not only you, everybody. Those who are, they made a mistake. everything they had a problem. So we have to understand, and we have to comparative. Sometimes maybe duration this time also we made a mistake because of power, because of money, because of our position. We are forgetting some of our Islamic roles, and we are doing wrong things. We have to be careful in our life. Sometimes perhaps we are doing same those who are against Imam Hussein with our acts in our life. Islam say you have to doing like that. We doing opposite of that. We have to research and get points. Imam Hussein came to the people to create the peace, friendship, kind and unity among the people, and he understood the differences and division among the people that could to damage and broken Islams, and nobody cannot understand about Islam in future, and he has to be save our life. And he came to the people and give a lot of message to the people, but nobody understand, nobody they didn't listen his advices, his message. He told to the people, I'm grandson of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Do you know me? Everybody told yes, we know you. We know yourself. We know your family. But how we can do it now? We cannot do. Why? Because of Bani Umayyah, because of Yazid. We are worried about ourselves. We are worried about our life. We are worried about our job. We are worried about our money. We are worried about everything. But Imam Hussein told them, I'm give a guarantee to everybody, as they are worried about their life, their money, their job, their position. I'm give a guarantee to you. I'm as Imam Hussein alayhi salam gave you the warranty about everything as you are worried. But join us and live that way and the right way and take a best decision and come with us. But unfortunately they don't accept, because their heart completely darkness, and they cannot and they couldn't listen Imam Hussein alayhi salam advices. This is the problem, my brother and sisters. Now we are under the same situations. Everything's happening on the world, regarding the political, regarding the everything. But sometimes we are forgetting those who things as Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam told us regarding the unity. Sometimes our Shia, they had a problem among themselves. They against each others. They damage each others. They take their self's power and positions. Sometimes we are just on the name of Shia, but we are not doing as a Shia. This is the issues. We have to comparative that time to these times and take the common points and check our lives with their life. How much it's close to what they did and we have to do to this time. How much they supported their Imam, and now we have to support our Imam alayhi salam. Suppose Imam Zaman alayhi salam tell us and give an order to us, you have to leave your job, you have to take out your money. We are doing law or not? We can live or not? Or we are talking to Imam Zaman alayhi salam, same those who are, they told to Imam Hussein alayhi salam, we cannot do it. We cannot live. We cannot take out. As Umar Sa'ad told to Imam Hussein. Imam Hussein alayhi salam, he told him, exactly, particularly told him the night before Ashura, you are worried about your position, you are worried about your money, you are worried about your job. I'm, as a grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I'm give a warranty to you. You come and join with us, I will give you best to you. But unfortunately he couldn't get a best decision, and he lose that opportunity. And after that also he couldn't get his wishes. This is the important points. Imam Hussein alayhi salam told, regarding the unpleasant traits, you made a mistake, you damaged the unity and made the differences, you create and establish the many groups and the parties among the people, and you damage the Islams because of yourselves, because of your decisions. What are you doing? What are you doing right is because of yourselves. We have to do for Islams, and we have to keep Islams to our way and change our things and comparative everything to Islam. If it is correct, we have to take it. If it's not correct, we have to lose it and leave it that. This is important. Inshallah, with study on the Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam's way, we can inshallah become as Imam Hussein alayhi salam's companions and Imam Ahlul Bayt alayhimus salam companions to this time inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.